Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2022 Skoda Octavia SEL. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 51 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 19 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 19,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the metallic graphite grey and it's in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the theme continues, so you have the nice clean interior. The seats there are half leather and half suede. There's an armrest and two cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention. The SEL also has heated front seats, the virtual cockpit display, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control just down there on the left hand side of the steering wheel. And then on the driver's door card you have your controls there for your electric folding mirror and for window switches. The Octavia's a very spacious car inside, so you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts and rear passengers also have their own air vents there in the centre, as well as a couple of charging ports. The big party piece on the Octavia though is just the sheer boot volume. So the tailgate, as it opens, reveals a really good sized boot there. That goes back a long way with the rear seats that can be split and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got some extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, and the 17-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.